Hey guys, how's it going? Jason Lopez, your friendly neighborhood real estate broker. So it's been a while since I posted a video blog, and I'm out at a great open house today. It's kind of quiet. I thought I'd take the time to record some quick video. Hey, let me give you a couple of updates on some things that have been happening over the last couple of weeks in real estate that kind of a high-level view looking down, but a couple of issues that I think are worth talking about and certainly letting you know about. Number one, a report was just released that indicated that the use of the FHA mortgage program by homebuyers has been less frequent. In fact, it's down about a third over major markets, 20 major markets nationally that they looked at. So traditionally, the FHA loan has been used by first-time or entry-level buyers. And the reason why is A, very low down payments, 3.5%. B, because the loan is backed by the federal government, the property has to meet certain minimum requirements. And FHA appraisers are known to be pretty strict about those requirements. So, you're getting a good property that doesn't have a leaky roof, the appliances work, it's got heating, it's generally in good condition. Now, the reason why this loan is being used less frequently has to do with the fact that it's more difficult now to get a loan than it has been before. And it's good on one hand, but it does have this trickle-down effect that really affects, again, that first-time or entry-level buyer from being able to get a loan. So it's something we definitely need to keep our eyes on. Now, the good news is there are some alternatives out there. One is what I've talked about before, which is the HomePath loan. You can go to homepath.com to get information on that. Now, there's a couple of rules here with HomePath, guys. Number one, you have to be buying a Fannie Mae foreclosure property. Number two, the loan is only available to people who plan to actually live in that property, so it's not available to investors. But it's a good program, only 3% down payment. You can get that money as a gift from another source, no appraisal fees, and most of those properties are in pretty good shape. Fannie does a pretty good job of the HomePath properties of getting them fixed up and ready to go. So definitely want to check that out, homepath.com. Now, there are other programs out there, guys, and you can give me a call, 619-663-8680, or visit my website, SanDiegoHomesurfing.com, and I'm happy to hook you up with a lender who can help you understand what's available to you based on your needs and your situation. No pressure, no hassle. You guys know how I work, so if you just want to have a general conversation with somebody, that's perfectly fine. Just let me know. I'm happy to connect you with somebody. The other bit of news over the last couple of weeks, guys, is the fact that the House has voted to eliminate the Making Home Affordable program, or HAMP. Now, this was an Obama bailout bill, or part of the bailout bill that they put in place to bail out the banks a year and a half or so ago. And basically what the HAMP program did, guys, was it offered incentives to the big lenders who got the bailout money to work with home buyers to modify their mortgage so that they would be able to stay in their property. Well, the problem is the banks, they weren't forced to do it, and the incentives were weak. So it's been very difficult for homeowners in that situation to actually get permanent loan modifications. And I'm sure you guys have read a lot of stories. In fact, if you want all the details on that, go to my go to my Facebook page. Just log into Facebook and search for Realty Executives Advantage, and you'll be able to link to the article there, or on my personal Facebook page. Just search for Jason K. Lopez on Facebook, and I've got a link to the information there. So with that program going away, a couple of questions come to mind. What's going to happen with those homeowners who, A, got the trial modifications if the program's eliminated, and deeper than that, people that might be in process with the loan modification, what's going to happen there? So basically with this new bill, or the elimination of the bill, they're just not going to provide any funding through that bailout bill to fund that program any longer. And again, it just hasn't worked the way we had hoped it might. So a couple of things to definitely keep an eye on. But speaking of loans, FHA loans, or loan modifications, interest rates. Guys, interest rates are great. They're still under 5%. I saw the other day 4.75% for a 30-year conforming fixed rate, so a loan amount of $417,000 or less. If you're in the market to refinance or been thinking about it, might be a good time to take advantage of those low interest rates. Now, you've got to weigh the cost versus the long-term benefit. There's kind of a break-even point. But again, I'm happy to point you in the right direction, connect you with a lender, and you can ask questions, and again, no hassle, no pressure. So I thank you for joining me today and tuning in. As always, you can visit my website, SanDiegoHomesurfing.com, my blog, which you're at right now, therealestatewrap.com, or give me a call, 619-663-8680. Always appreciate your questions, your referrals, and if you need anything at all related to real estate, guys, let me know. Thank you, and have a great rest of the week.